Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Dr. How? Assalamualaikum.
Yeah.
As she said, it is halfway through the election campaigning. There has been some concerns about your age, whether you are up for it, and you were coughing earlier. How are you faring so far?
Yeah, I'm still coughing. The strange thing is that when I get up to speak, I don't cough. And in Kuantan, I spoke for 1 hour. Of course, before I used to speak for 1 hour, no problem, because I was young. Now I am old. I still can speak for 1 hour. I would like to find out any other 93 years old willing to speak for 1 hour on the stage.
But then for anyone, yes, it would be ordealing for anyone your age. But for you, you feel you're still.
Huh?
For anyone your age, it would be a very tiring ordeal.
Yeah, it is very tiring, but I survive. I can even answer your question. Can you imagine that?
So can I clarify one point? You yourself say you're 93 or 92 because all the reports keep.
My age, I will be 93 in July, on July the 10th. Please attend my birthday.
Okay.